using plantain for medicine.
Show the wound.
On that wound.
Ooh. These are good on bites and stings, right?
Mm-hmm.
Show them how you use it.
You can also chew it up and then swallow it, and that will help you too.
Uh-huh.
But I recommend chewing it up and then
Putting it on your...
I do not like eating it a lot because it's really yucky.
Yeah.
And this is our box of plantain that we're putting it in.
And what should we do with that?
We're going to make medicine with it. And also we're putting some dandelion in it. A big bottle of medicine. And we're also using dandelion in it because it helps you go pee-pee. That's what Daddy said. That's